We're going to help Byte Mail with one last task. This time, we'll be upgrading their international shipping machine. By default, each package will cost $50 to ship. However, packages with a weight of less than 10 kilograms will receive a discount. The catch is that the discount depends on the destination of the package. A package of less than 10 kilograms heading for Canada only costs $7 to ship, but if it's heading for the United States, then it'll have a different price. This means we'll need to verify two conditions. To do so, we'll need a new tool, nested if statements. The idea behind this tool is simple. It puts an if statement inside another if statement. Let's see what the code for this looks like. First, we want to check if a package's destination is Canada, so we'll use an if statement like so. Next, we'll add a second if statement inside the first one. This one will check if the weight of the package is under 10 kilograms. When we run this code, the program checks the condition of the first if statement. If this condition is false, it jumps over its code block and completely ignores the second if statement. On the other hand, if the condition of the first if statement is true, it then checks the condition of the second if statement. If this one is false, it ignores the instruction to set the shipping price to $7. If it's true, it sets the shipping price to $7. Essentially, a package only qualifies for the shipping price of $7 if its destination is Canada and its weight is under 10 kilograms. Now, it's time we try recreating this ourselves. We'll start by coding the structure to handle packages going to Canada. In the code editor, replace the question mark inside the second if statement with a condition to check if the value of the variable weight is less than 10. Once that's done, run your code with various package weights and destinations.